So it's been about 2.5 weeks that I've been using this product right here from Merit. This is called the Great Skin. Now, I've got so much to report to you guys because the product, honestly, it does what it claims and more. So I've been using it for 2.5 weeks and I really haven't used that much out of the bottle. So that actually impresses me. You'll notice that Merit is very big on clean beauty. So we've got natural oils floating on top here and you've got the really good stuff down here. You have to shake this in order to use it. So when you shake it, it actually changes color. It looks like this. This is totally natural. It's totally fine. So if you do get your product in the mail and it is separated, that is completely normal. So what I love about this is that it has a really good clean pump here, and you just pump that out. It's like that. It just looks and feels kind of like water. It's very serum-like. And then you just literally go up on your face. And I really enjoy this quite a lot. I did my neck, I did my décolleté, I did my shoulders with this. Now the company doesn't claim that it reduces scar tissue and it does not claim that it reduces redness, but it does. I honestly can tell you guys that it does. Like, it really, really does. Just check it out right here. A lot of you know that I had thyroid surgery about 7 months ago, and since then I've actually been using quite a bit of different products trying to reduce the redness here. Hasn't really worked out good for me. But then I use this Great Skin from Merit for 2.5 weeks, and just look at this. I have no concealer on whatsoever. I can just rub right there. There's nothing on there. It's just my skin. And that looks so much better. So let's go back 6 weeks ago and 3 weeks ago. And now, in real time, my scar is a lot less pink and the redness is gone, which I'm impressed by, like super, super impressed by. And honestly, it just feels really moisturized and flat to the skin. That being said, right here, I have that hyperpigmentation spot that I always complain about right there. And it's just super red. And honestly, it feels like a dry skin spot. And it's been there for like 3+ years and it just won't go away. It's just one of those stubborn skin spots that we get as we age. It's a thing. There's nothing wrong with it. I had it looked into, but it's just one of those things that one day I'll have to get lasered off. But honestly, since I've been using Great Skin, this is flat to the skin now. It looks a lot less red considerably. Again, I have no concealer on at all, so I'm impressed by that, but mostly by the scar right here. Now, there's 4 kinds of hyaluronic acid in here and niacinamide. Those are 2 ingredients that I always use in my skincare routine and I have for years. And the Japanese gold thread root, which smooths the skin. This product is great for all skin types, especially people with sensitive skin. For those of you at home that don't know, I actually had a lot of chemo, so my skin is very dry, it's very sensitive. I'm fine now, but in the past decade I did have a lot of chemo, so I honestly have no issues with this whatsoever. This is a beautiful product. There's no fragrance, which I love about it because I can throw this on under my makeup and it's perfect. It's a perfect base. Now, I'm sensitive to a lot of products and I have no issues with this whatsoever. So if you have acne-prone skin, you are not going to flare up because there's no ingredients in here that would make someone with acne flare up, which I love about the product. Now, if you have oily skin, I completely recommend it. Go in with 1 pump. You do need to still add moisture to your skin, even though it's oily, to continue to cleanse, because that cleanser is going to strip away a little bit of that oil, but you still need to replenish with oil, and this is the perfect product for you. And if you have sensitive skin like I do, I love it. I go in with 2 to 3 pumps and I do my whole face, like I said, my neck, my shoulders, and my décolleté area with the 2 to 3 pumps. And I love it. Twice a day, I barely touched what was in the bottle. As you can see, there's still a lot left in there. You're going to get at least 3 to 4 months of use out of this, which I love about the product. The serum was made to complement the Merit complexion stick right here. This is called the Minimalist. If you are looking for a no makeup application for foundation and concealer, this is your friend. Like, this is actually one of the most beautiful products that I have for that no makeup look. I love it, and it's so easy to apply. I'm just going to apply a little bit for you guys and show you what I mean. Now I've got a little bit of foundation on my face. I'm going to go in with the brush and I'm just going to blend that out. This just helps to even out your complexion. It has a beautiful light finish coverage. Just that easy. Look how dewy and fresh my skin looks right now. It looks hydrated, it looks plump, I look ready to leave and just go live my best life. This is a no makeup natural finish, but it is stunning and very glowy, very dewy, and I love it. Don't forget to look on their website for their curated sets. This month they've got the base set where you get the Great Skin, which I love, absolutely love. And then you get the bronzer, which again, super love. And you get their award-winning makeup brush right here. And Merit will give you free shipping on all orders over $40. And if you're a new customer, they will send you the brand new signature bag. So go watch the video right here on the Merit bronzer, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys.